Catholic faithful of Tura observe All Souls Day in Catholic cemetery situated at the hillock adjacent to the Bishop House on November 2nd. The Catholic cemetery, which is in RC Road near Cathedral Church, is an oldest Catholic cemetery in Garo Hills, has been cleaned and decorated with flowers by respective parishioners of the individual parishes in preparation for the All Souls Day on November 2nd. Graves are blessed with holy water by a priest during observance of All Souls Day in Tura. The oldest cemetery located in Tura, Bishop's House, is lit up by thousands of candles to commemorate the day in the memory of the dead.
Lak mandirangna ayan singketelo bina jerakode isikle wamangna Kristoni onggepa upataniko wamang atsaya sakin
Del singi biaku knacapu
lak sigemen beberak parangna ayan singketelo bina